How to clean and disinfect seed starting containers. Hello everybody, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other special events. So today I'm going to show you how to clean and sanitize your seed starting containers like these, so that way you can use them for your seedlings this year. So at the end of the year or at the beginning of the year, you want to clean and sanitize your seed starting containers, so that way it doesn't carry over any diseases from last year into this year, since the seedlings are going to be more prone to diseases and get killed by diseases than regular plants. So you want to make sure that you clean and sanitize your containers before you start using them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Very easy. Most of the items that you need are already in your home that you can use to do that. So we're going to start with cleaning the containers. So what you want to fill a container like this with water. So we're gonna fill it with water, put some detergent in it, and just wash it. So what we want to do is we want to put some water in our container, or you can also use it to wash it if you don't want to. You can use just get out the dirt that's in there and just use this to wash it and get out all the major dirt that are in there. Just take it out like that. Put that aside. As you see, there's still some little bit of dirt, but underneath it, you want to do the same thing. You want to wash underneath like that, so that you get rid of most of the dirt. See that? It's perfect now, so. It's all clean now. So what you want to do, you want to fill your container, I'll say half full, with water. Okay, so fill a container with water like that. Then we want to add, so you want to add bleach to it. So the estimate for the bleach is you want to put 1 part bleach to 10 part water. So I'm just gonna put. So I'll put 2 or 3 of these. It's just a rough estimate, but to get the right estimate is 1 part water and 1 part bleach, sorry, and then 10 part water. And what you do next is you just mix it up. I'll just use this to mix it up. Just mix the bleach up, and then when you wanna, you just wanna put the containers in there, submerge. You want to submerge it into the water. So you submerge it into water like that and let it sit in the water for like 5 minutes. You can do 5 or 10 minutes, that's fine. Once it's submerged in the water, and after about 5 or 10 minutes, then we're gonna take it out and just let it dry. So it's been about 10 minutes now, so I'm just gonna take it out. So you want to take take all the trays out like that, and then you just want to cover it and let it drain out the water, and it's gonna dry up. So what I'm gonna do is put it down here like that, and you want to let it dry out completely. It might take a couple of hours depending on how hot the temperature is. Might take a couple of hours, might take the whole day. Dry out, then you can use it the next day, or after it's completely dry you can use it. Okay, as you see, I washed quite a few of them and they are dry now, so I can store them and use them anytime I want. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification so that way you can get notified of any new videos, and hopefully you share with friends and families. Thanks and have a fabulous day.